Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Binance. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This video is purely for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Now, let's get started. First, open the Binance app. At the bottom of the screen, go to the far right and click on Portfolio. Here, you'll see your assets. I don't have Bitcoin. I demonstrate you with BNB. But don't worry, you can convert Bitcoin with this method as well. There are two ways to access the conversion feature. The first way is by clicking on coin in your portfolio, waiting for it to load, and then selecting Convert. Alternatively, you can go back to the main menu, click on Trade at the bottom, and then select Convert from there. Once you're in the Convert section, under From, make sure your desired coin is selected. Now, under To, select the currency you want to convert to, which in this case is USDT. Next, enter the amount of your desired coin you wish to convert. Now, you'll see the amount of USDT you'll be receiving. If you want to convert all, you can click on Max. If everything looks good, press Convert. Just like that, the conversion is successful. And that's how you convert Bitcoin or any coin to USDT on Binance. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.